Hey, yo, what is up, everybody? I hope you all having a great day and a great start to your week. So today I want to talk to you about the law of attraction. You may have heard of this before. So the law of attraction is you visualizing. Visualize what you want. Know what you want. Know where you want to go. Then, next step is to feel that you already have it. Feel that you've already acquired it. Feel that it's already yours. Trust that it's coming. Have 100% trust that it's going to be yours one day. And then you release it. You don't stress about it. You just release it and you trust that's going to happen. And then the next is to put yourself in alignment to acquiring what you want. In other words, that's another word for take action. Take the action steps that is going to put you in alignment for acquiring what you want, for becoming the person who can acquire what you want to acquire, who can achieve the lifestyle that you want to live. And then receive. Acquiring the stuff and being the person who you want to be. So now this seems like it makes sense, right? Setting your goals, visualizing yourself, living that life, taking the action steps, and then acquire it. So at the same time, why don't a lot of us do it? I think the reason why a lot of us don't do it is because we haven't decided, or maybe we feel like that we're not capable of doing that. That's why I think visualization and practicing the law of attraction every single day is so important. Because the third step can be one thing that's the most confusing, because sometimes we don't know what to do. But when we decide that we're going to acquire it, when we make that decision, you may have heard that multiple times before, then we're going to automatically know what to do to help us get to acquiring what we want. So I think the key is to do step 1 and step 2, visualize and feel it. Visualize and get into that feeling every single day. Just practice that. And I think eventually, if you do that every single day and you do it consistently, eventually you're going to subconsciously make that decision, or maybe consciously you're going to make the decision, and then you're going to know what to do next automatically. It's just going to come to you on what you need to do next, and then you'll just attract the things that you want to attract. So I also love this. I also love this example about praying for something and not actually getting it, but getting opportunities. So that's one thing I think also to keep your eyes open. Is you attract, you visualize, you get into that feeling, and then keep your eyes open for different opportunities that can help you get to what you want. It can be something small, maybe someone messaging you on Messenger. That's something like that can be annoying, right? We ignore it. Sometimes I do that sometimes. So maybe answering someone on Messenger could be part of that opportunity. Maybe it's not, but it's something. But you really never know until you answer that person back on Messenger. So yeah, I would just definitely keep my eyes open up for these opportunities, because oftentimes we tend to ignore these opportunities when it's right in front of us. And I think also maybe if we ignore those opportunities, we're not quite ready and we haven't quite decided that we want to get to the next step and to the next level. So yeah, that's the main thing. That's what I want to kind of talk about today, is about the law of attracting what we want. Basically, to put in short and to put in summary, law of attraction is this. Step 1, visualize. What are your goals? Write down your goals. Write it down every single day and visualize it every single day. Step 2, see yourself as acquiring those goals. See yourself as already living and being that person who could acquire those goals. Then step 3 would be take action. Take the action steps that is going to help you acquire and become the person. And that's key. Becoming the person who can acquire and live the lifestyle that you want to live. And the next is the simplest. Receive it. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you all got something out of this video, and I hope you all have a great rest of your day and a great rest of your week. And if you ever want to talk more about entrepreneurship, if you want to talk more about business, if you want to talk more about law of attraction, if you have any questions about this video, feel free to hit me up. I'd be more than happy to talk with you and connect with you. And yeah, I look forward to hearing from you. I look forward to seeing you next time, and I'll talk to you next week. Okay?